Welcome to the xCloud tutorial. Today we will learn how to enable 7G or 8G firewall on xCloud and secure your servers. From your xCloud dashboard, navigate to the servers and here in all servers, click on the server created with OLS server. Select your website to open the settings dashboard. On the left search bar, type security and select the security option. Here is the security settings panel. The new 8G firewall is a free, lightweight security tool that protects your website from malicious traffic. 8G firewall is a built-in feature on xCloud OLS servers. Along with OLS, 7G firewall is also available on the Nginx server. Toggle on the 8G firewall settings and click on the Save Settings button. A confirmation pop-up message will appear at the bottom right corner. You can check the access log for blocked requests by 7G and 8G. To do that, search log in the left search bar and click on log. On the appeared page, click on the drop-down on left to the reload button and select Open Lightspeed Access Log. Look for entries with a status code configured for blocked requests. This code depends on your firewall configuration, but common values include 403 forbidden or a custom code defined by 7G. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another xCloud video. Happy hosting!